Cruz area. And I took a lot of shots there. Kasi actually this is one of the best place in Metro Manila to do a photo walk. Kasi maraming mga nangyayari doon. Actually, there's a lot of people out there na may mga pumapasok, may mga nagtatrabaho, may mga nangangalakal, may mga nagsisimba, specifically sa Quiapo Church and sa Santa Cruz Church. Pero mas marami ata sa Quiapo Church compared to Santa Cruz Church. Pero actually, you can do a lot of things there kasi malapit din doon yung Draon, yung Binondo. So it's a very nice place to do more things. Kung gusto mong bumili ng something na mura, just go there, specifically sa Carriedo or bandang Divisoria area. So that's why I went there and I took a lot of shots na very interesting. There's a lot of stories out there na you can capture using your own camera or kahit cellphone. You can do whatever you want. So and with this photos, hopefully magustuhan nyo. But this time I make sure na more on muna tayo. It's a different way, more on black and white photos. So set aside muna natin yung color photos or pictures. So this time it's more on black. It's more dramatic. There's a lot of stories. There's a lot of emotions sa black and white photos. So yeah, hopefully you guys you enjoy this one. I am more enjoyable to do mga facial reactions ng mga tao while habang namimili or kumakain, habang naglalakad along the way. So very nice to take photos on a busy place like this one.
At alam niyo ba, naglalagaw ay dati mga
maliit lang yung malalaki.
Kain ito.
Ay!
Sobrang yaman kasi nito sa antioxidant. Sorry. At naniniwala ang mabisa kontra sa diabetes. Kuya Pinyor. Pero yun nga.
Ilan muna mo lahat yan.
Sa mga nakasabit sa mga 50, mag-iingat na rin po tayo sa Mandurukot. Dali, yung mga naghahanap ng murang pagtulog, ayan ha. 10 piso na yan.
Piraso sa isang supo, kaya pagtulugin natin ang sarili natin.
Bumili din ako.
Pwede sabihin ko Samsung, Redmi, Realme, Oppo, Huawei, Cherry.
Ah, maganda ba yan? Alex Wates, ako mag-zipper.
Then actually I stayed na mas matagal sa around Quiapo Church or sa labas ng Quiapo Church sa Plaza Miranda. And if you see, maraming mga taong nagtitake ng photos ng Quiapo Church, and at the same time na nag-aantay and nagdadasal. So I take the opportunity to do some shots, or candid shots na I can share to you guys. Then also I walk around the area sa bandang labas din ng Santa Cruz Church. I went there also sa labas. Also I took some shots inside the church and also sa labas din. And after that I went through Quiapo Church naman. Ako ng Corriedo. I stay a while there sa mga kumakain mo. There's a lot of emotions there. There's a lot of stories there na you can capture. So actually, karamihan ng mga photographers o local photographers sa Pilipinas pumupunta sa around Birondo, Quiapo or Santa Cruz area kasi yun nga, as I mentioned, marami kami makikita. So, yeah. And aside sa marami kang makikita, kasi actually Maynila is one of the most oldest city sa Pilipinas. So if you want to go there, and if you want to go or if you want to do a photo walk, actually this is the best place to do photo walk and to take pictures or to take photos, which is very nice, very beautiful places to visit. Pero at the same time, just mag-ingat lang kayo kasi syempre medyo old na yung city, so there's a lot of so be mindful lang din sa mga dala nyo specifically kasi syempre may kamahalan yung mga dala natin. So make sure na please take care also your devices or cameras or cell phone or even your personal belongings. So yun lang. That's my just my quick advice if you want to do or to go to go there in Santa Cruz, Quiapo, Binondo, Manila area.
Pakantod lang tayo.
And guys, let me know your comments down below. Kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa photos na nakuha ko. And again, sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please consider my channel as well. Please help me to grow this channel. A lot of videos for you guys. Like and share this video. See you in the next one.